Because guys, I can guarantee you that this method is 100% more effective than Facebook advertising. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to promote Clickbank products using free high quality traffic on the Facebook platform. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And so yeah guys, the affiliate network we're going to be using today is actually with Clickbank. This is by far the easiest network to join in my opinion. It's hassle free and you can literally sign up in one sitting. And so the first thing we're going to do today is actually find a Clickbank product. Alright, and so once you get to this page, obviously you want to sort it by gravity, okay? This is pretty much what you're going to want to do every single time you're finding a product, because essentially this is going to filter out every single best-selling product on the Clickbank marketplace. And so majority of the highest converting ones are pretty much the best-selling products on the Clickbank platform. And so when you're choosing an affiliate product to promote, you're going to want to promote a Clickbank product that has a gravity score of at least 35 to 50, because that means it's a quality product that's selling on the Clickbank platform. And so I'm just going to show you guys a quick product really fast so you guys can see, you know, they have a bunch of different products that have an average sale of $13.98, $28.39, and this one has an average sales score of $60.19. And this one's actually called Ted's Woodworking, highest converting woodworking site on the internet. And so I'm just going to do this Clickbank product as an example just because the average sale is so high. And it also comes with a recurring commission and upsells as well. So that's something you really want to consider when you're choosing an affiliate product from Clickbank, because essentially you can make residual income just from promoting a single Clickbank product. And that's what's so great about promoting these Clickbank products, is because you can essentially make passive income just by promoting one Clickbank product successfully on the affiliate marketplace. And so the first thing we're going to do is actually go on Promote right here. Okay, and it's going to give you a tracking ID, which is optional, but you're just going to want to hit create right here. And then you're going to get this big long Clickbank affiliate link. And so you're just going to want to copy this right here. And then you'll want to go to bit.ly.com. Okay, and just paste that link right there. And now you have your Clickbank affiliate link shortened. Okay, and so how we're going to promote this product is by using 100% free high quality traffic using the Facebook platform. And so I'm actually logged into my account right now, but once you get to this page right here, what you'll want to do is actually start joining groups in your specific niche that you're going to promote this product in, okay? And this is by far such a powerful method. So I'm going to type in woodworking Facebook groups because, you know, the product I'm promoting is a woodworking niche. And so you're going to see right off the bat there's thousands of people in these Facebook groups that are specifically interested in the woodworking niche. And the reason why this is so much more powerful than Facebook advertising is because this is what people are already looking for, right? As opposed to Facebook advertising, you know, they may have an interest in woodworking, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they're interested in seeing whatever woodworking offer you're looking to sell them, right? With these woodworking Facebook groups, one, they're already communities, which means that all these people are all interested in seeing woodworking products that can help them. Maybe they want to better their craft, or they want to, you know, upgrade their skills in the woodworking space. And so that's why this is so much more powerful. And trust me on this, guys, I tested this out myself and I saw a much better ROI when I was joining these Facebook groups rather than spending my money and risking it with Facebook advertising, because the people I was targeting with Facebook advertising, let's say if they were woodworking people, you know, they weren't necessarily interested in seeing woodworking products I was looking to sell them, right? Because even though they might be interested in it, that doesn't mean they want to purchase something from woodworking, right? And so that's why I love joining these woodworking groups. And you can see that, you know, this one's called Woodworking Furniture Makers Project Forum. So this already targets a specific pain point in people, because maybe people in here are brand new woodworkers. And you can see right here a little bit of the description. When you are an experienced woodworker or new to it, we want to make this forum pretty much to help people become better woodworkers. And that's what this Clickbank product I'm promoting is all about, is about helping people become better woodworkers. And so what you'll want to do is start joining all these Facebook groups, okay? And they might ask you these questions. So I just do yes, yes, and just start joining all these groups. Okay, and once you get accepted into these groups, you're going to see that they're very active and they're extremely engaged as well. And so once you join this group, okay, the strategy behind this is not going to be to just post your affiliate link or just post a product you're recommending to them to purchase, because for one, you may get kicked out and booted for spam, and two, it's going to look super salesy and people aren't going to really want to purchase something that's trying to sell them, right? People want to purchase something that's going to help them solve their problems or fulfill their desires. And so the strategy I'm going to show you guys really quick is 100% free to do this, and you guys can also not only leverage Facebook groups, but Facebook pages as well, okay? And most of the time that they post on their pages, as long as you're not trying to sell people directly, you know, with your affiliate links. And so you can see this page with over 45,000 likes, right? Have people posting on them literally on a daily basis, right? You can see this person posted 17 minutes ago, this person posted 2 hours ago, and people are posting constantly in these groups. And so one, that means it's very active and very engaged as well. And so what I'm going to show you guys today is actually going to Google Docs, okay? And this is where we're going to strategically funnel our audience through this funnel to potentially make them a customer to this woodworking affiliate offer. And so we're just going to go to Google Docs. Okay, I'm just going to hit blank right here. And so what you're going to want to do is actually go back to the Clickbank Marketplace and hit the Ted's Woodworking affiliate offer. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is actually screenshot this landing page right here. So what I'm going to do is actually move this out of the way really quick and just screenshot this right here. Okay, and then we're going to go back to our Google Doc. And then what you're going to want to do is actually paste your image in here. So we're just going to insert image, upload from computer. Okay, and after you upload your image, what you're going to want to do is actually make it look like a landing page. So what I would do is first insert my link on this image. So I would do, let's go to insert link, paste your affiliate link on the image. Okay, so all I did was right click and hit link on the Google Doc and just hit apply. Okay, and so once somebody even attempts to click this image, it directly links them to the Clickbank offer, okay? And then another thing you can do is actually do a call to action on the image. So I would do, and let me move this down really quick. And we can make a quick little, let's do format, let's do a heading. Okay, and we can just do, you know, click here for instant access, right? And then what you're going to want to do is make it bold. And then what you'll do is just right click again and hit link. And this is all I'm doing, okay? And just paste your affiliate link right there. All right, so once you create this lookalike landing page, you'll want to hit share right here. Okay, then hit save and hit get shareable link. Now, before hitting get shareable link, you'll want to make sure that the link only says anyone that can view. Okay, so that means they can't edit anything on your landing page or change anything up. And so make sure it just says that right there and just hit get shareable link, copy that, then hit done. And so once you have your new Google Doc link, you'll want to actually go back to these woodworking pages, right? And this is the copy that you're going to want to use, okay? You're not going to want to look spammy when you're on these Facebook pages or groups for that matter, because you can post in either or, and I recommend posting in both. But what you'll want to do is actually hit write post, and I actually have some copy you guys can model in my notes. And so what I said here was, hey guys, I just came across an amazing collection of 15,000 amazing woodworking planes. If you'd like me to give you access, just comment below, give me the details, and I'll inbox you the access details, okay? And so I'm not selling anybody when I made this text. It doesn't appear to be spammy. It just shows that I found a good opportunity for people to save money for woodworking. And so that's going to incentivize them to comment below on my post. And after people start commenting on the post, that's going to make it go even more viral and potentially bring me more Clickbank sales. And so what you'll want to do is actually copy this right here, okay, and just paste it right there. And then you'll just want to post it in this group, and then you can view that here. And so once people start actually engaging with your post, and I'm going to show you guys that this is 100% possible because I did this in another Facebook group for myself, just to show that it works. And so we're just going to go to the affiliate marketing group right here. And I'm going to show you just how viral these posts go, even in these Facebook groups, okay? So let's do Matthew Johnston. And so here's a perfect example right here, okay? I said, just created a video showing you how I made $8,875 on Clickbank in 1 week. This will help you strategically automate your income without spending money, blah, blah, blah. But you can see right off the bat, there was 410 comments on this post, okay? And that's because this post went semi-viral in this group, and everybody started commenting super, because that's what I told them to comment below. I said comment super, and I started PMing all these people in this group, and sure enough, that sent traffic directly to my YouTube video. You can see right here with over 4.6 thousand people that viewed this video, right? And that became one of my most popular videos on my channel to this day. And that's just some proof to show you how much traffic actually goes to these offers, and it filters out people that are interested in, you know, what you're trying to offer them and people that are not interested in what you're trying to offer them. And so that's the power of effective copywriting in Facebook groups or in Facebook pages. And so that's what I wanted to show you guys really quick. And this method is 100% free, right? You don't have to sign up for any landing pages, ClickFunnels, whatever. This was just 100% free method I want to show you guys. And so once you guys do that, you're going to get a bunch of people that start commenting on your post. Again, once you tell them to, let's view the post really quick, right? I said, hey guys, I just came across an amazing collection of 15,000 amazing woodworking plans. If you'd like me to give you access, just comment below. And so once people start commenting on your post, you'll want to PM them the link to your landing page, right? And once they click this link right here, it's gonna send them straight to the Clickbank offer. And this is how you're gonna warm up your potential customers to purchase this Clickbank product, okay? And trust me guys, I tested this method out myself, so it's 100% legit and it works very well with converting Clickbank products to customers for 100% free. And believe me guys, this method works 10 times better than paying for Facebook advertising, because for one, you're not risking any money. You're not burning your money for people that may or may not even purchase your product. Two, with Facebook pages and Facebook groups, you're targeting people that are 100% interested in the woodworking industry. And three, the conversion rate is so much more higher than Facebook advertising. As long as you're not spamming these groups with your affiliate links and you're providing value up in the front end, then you're going to be able to make some affiliate marketing sales. And this was just a small little example of the power of affiliate marketing with Clickbank products. And so this was a quick video I wanted to show you guys for an absolutely free method of promoting Clickbank products on Facebook with free traffic. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah guys, take care.